Right, my dear brilliant diamonds. Now let us solve the second bit of second problem. In this problem, they said that 5 years ago, Nouri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nouri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nouri and Sonu? Okay. See, first of all, we don't know the present ages of Nouri and Sonu. So let us assume that the ages of Nouri and Sonu as X and Y. So these are the present ages of these two guys. Done. Now they have given condition 5 years ago. So let us take the 5 years before situation. What was their ages, right? You can guess that if Nouri's age present age is X, then 5 years before how much? X minus 5. Similarly, Sonu age is 5 now, then 5 years before Y minus 5. So if you see here, 5 years before Nouri age and Sonu's age we have written here, and as per the given condition 5 years ago Nouri was thrice as old as Sonu. इसका मतलब whatever the Nouri's age was 5 years there, no, x minus 5, that x minus 5 is equal to 3 times the age of Sonu 5 years before. So this is the required condition we have to write as per the given information. Okay, now we have done first part. So when you simplify this, you will get x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. Now let us see the second part. What is that? 10 years later Nouri will be twice as old as Sonu. So first you should know what is the 10 years later situation. See here, 10 years later Nouri age will be x plus 10 and Sonu's age will be y plus 10, and between these two ages he has given relationship. What is that? This Sonu's age is twice when compared to Nouri's age. So that is what we have written. X plus 10 is equals to 2 into y plus 10 when after 10 years. This is the relationship between these two guys' ages after 10 years. And this is the information given. So as per given information we have given written this equation. Now when you simplify this, you will get x minus 2y is equal to 10. So let us assume this as equation 2. And if you look at these two equations, x minus 3y is equals to minus 10, x minus 2y is equals to 10, you can clearly see that x term you can eliminate. So using elimination method, now let us solve these two equations. Now we are going to subtract first equation from second equation. So let us take second equation and then first equation. You have to change the symbols when you are subtracting. So here x minus x gets cancelled and minus 2y plus 3y is equals to y, then 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. So that is what the answer. Now what we got? We got the value of y. Then if you substitute this y is equals to 20 in this or in this equation, you will get value of x. So now we are substituting this y is equals to 20 in this equation 1. So you will get x is equals to 50. So finally we got x and y is nothing but age of Nouri is 50 years and age of Sonu is 20 years. Hope you got good clarity on this problem. If yes, immediately without wasting your time, please share with your friends. Thanks for watching and learning. Have a nice day.